Hello, and welcome to this week's edition of Fixture Fridays. High bay lighting is everywhere, and we've got a number of LED replacement options, but how will you know which one to choose? Today we'll present a few helpful guidelines you can use when selecting a high bay to offer your customer. High bays and low bays often look similar in appearance and can be used in many of the same interior spaces with a ceiling over 10 feet. As a general rule, low bays are meant to be mounted between 12 and 22 feet. At this relatively low height, glare can be a factor for employees or shoppers. So, a drop lens to reduce glare is often recommended for these applications. High bays are recommended for mounting heights of 16 feet and above. These are typically more about performance than style, built to deliver the light to the floor as efficiently as possible. Most high bay and low bay lighting is suspended from the ceiling using one of the following options. Cable mount, which is typically a pair of cables, each with a Y at the end to connect to the fixture at 4 different points and remain level, and a hook, which is commonly seen with HID. The fixture is balanced by a hook and hung from a rafter or another point on the ceiling. Pendant mount, a single rigid stem extending from the ceiling to the center of the fixture, and surface, which is less common, but some applications may require the high bay to affix directly to a rafter or to the ceiling itself. Not all of our fixtures can be mounted this way. When gathering information from your customer, be sure to find out how their existing fixtures are mounted, as the option may affect the end price and influence which product we recommend. In choosing an LED replacement, it is important to know the existing lamp wattage and the voltage at the facility. Finding out the customer's existing lamp type and wattage will help us choose an LED lumen package that will be comparable. Voltage is also a key piece of information, as many high bay applications use 480 volt, but not all of our fixture options are available in 480. Some spaces may not be climate controlled, allowing for extreme high or low temperatures. Cold is typically friendly to LED, but heat can cause issues for boards and drivers, so be sure to ask the maximum and minimum ambient temperatures of the space. In some cases, precise optics are needed to get the most out of a high bay's light delivery. The majority of our high bay jobs use the standard distribution, but know that at times a narrow distribution can be helpful for a tight warehouse aisle, or a wide distribution can help in spacing fixtures further apart without losing light in between. High bays also have a wide range of controllability options like occupancy sensors, daylight harvesting, dimming, and smart controls. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to send us a message at fixtures@vosslighting.com. Thanks for watching this week's edition of Fixture Fridays.